In our European Electrical Installation Monitor, a research we conduct quarterly amongst electrical installers in 7 European countries, we focus on key trends like sustainability, prefabrication, buying behavior, and much more. In the latest edition, we started to focus on branding. And Maya, can you tell me why branding is so important?
Branding has always been crucial in the electrical installation industry. Nowadays, product performance and differences in quality between brands are getting smaller and smaller. That is why branding is becoming more important, and knowing your brand position is vital.
This is the reason why USP is regularly asked to conduct dedicated brand surveys for our customers serving the construction and installation industry. These type of researches are quite extensive and labor-intensive, and you don't run them each year, or sometimes not even twice a year. But still, in the meantime, you would like to have some brand updates, and that's why we are doing this in our multi-client reports. So Maya, can you tell me more about the content of the report?
Our latest European Electrical Installation Report is designed to do just that. In the full report, we cover 7 product categories, and for each category we ask electrical installers which brands they know and which brands they use the most. The results are presented per country for all the 7 research countries and compared in a cross-country summary.
Now obviously we cannot show you all of the results. This video would take way too long. One interesting insight we would like to share with you is the fact that we asked the installers what are the leading brands in the installation industry. The number 1 that came out was Schneider, followed by Legrand and Hager.
The full report is now available. For more information, please check our website or contact us directly.